Hey everybody, before I start this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who watched the last video. The reception's been incredible, especially on r/Nintendo Switch, the subreddit. I posted the video there. Comments have been great. People have been loving it. A lot of people have been asking questions. If you go into the description of the last video, you can find a download to the game that I was playing at the end, as well as the code and schematic files, or schematic images, I guess, for the whole build. I don't really know if I mentioned that at the end, but I just wanted to re-clarify that now. And moving forward, all my videos will have in the description not only the parts that I used in the video, but also the schematic files and the code used on the Arduino or whatever I'm using at the time. So with that being said, today we are going to be making yet another game controller, but this time it's not going to be a general purpose game controller. It's going to be more of a joystick instead of buttons. It's just going to be joystick. So what the plan is I want to make a hat where once you put it on your head, you can use your head as a joystick. Now I know the emoji bucket hat isn't doing much of justice. It's probably going to be more so normal hat where everything's attached on to here. And the idea is we're going to be able to play games like Super Monkey Ball with it, or any top-down game, really. I just gotta figure out how I'm going to go about doing this. I already have an accelerometer, a 3-axis accelerometer, but I have no idea how to use it. So I think it's time to start learning. So to start, I already took a miniature breadboard and I attached the teensy to the one side as well as the accelerometer to the other. Now I only have half of the teensy actually on the board. Reason being is because this side has anything we need, or everything we need rather, and we don't really need to use this side at all. And if we kind of put it on both rows, then that would give us little to no space for this, and I really want to do this on a tiny thing so we can fit it on the hat. So first I want to go over my concerns for the project. The accelerometer is a little loose in the breadboard. I don't know if the camera will be able to see that, but it is a bit lifted. So it does wiggle out very easily. I think I'm going to start hooking things up now. Okay, so I think this is actually all the wiring that needs to be done. So the two gray cables are the power and ground, and the two green are the X and Y rotation. Now I don't know if it just knows where its neutral point is, or if these numbers are relative, or what, but I think what I'm going to do is I could add a button to recalibrate similar to before, but I didn't add that button before. I was just using the reset button before, so maybe the reset button on the teensy will just do the same thing and work again. Hopefully, we'll see. Okay, so with the way that it currently stands, when it's completely down and flat, the numbers are near 500, 500, which means there should be little to no movement. So I'm probably going to need to add a dead zone, like how normal joysticks have. On a normal joystick, right here, there's very little movement. You can kind of push the joystick around, but you're not going to move in game until you've passed that dead zone. So we need to do the same for this, where you won't actually start moving until a certain amount. Alright, so now that I have it working as a proper joystick, what I'm going to do is start attaching it to the hat and find out what the dead zone should be for the hat. That's why I have separate X and Y values for the dead zones. And once I do that, we should be good to go. So I think what I have to do is try to make this more of a flatter top, because it's gotta situate this nicely. And I'm gonna like situate it with yarn or string or whatever this is. Something I want to improve with my videos is how I talk and whatnot. Like, I wouldn't say I'm bad at communicating, but talking to a camera, it just doesn't feel natural to me. Not yet, at least. I don't know if this is even gonna work. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, that's tight. That's good. If I just do that a couple more times. Oh no. Oh my god. That's actually, it's pretty fine now. I do not like wearing hats. My hair is actually gonna get ruined, and you're gonna hear me whine about it, and you're gonna not care. And I respect that decision. I respect. What should I go about doing to keep this on? I wouldn't be surprised if it stayed. I'd be amazed if it stayed. I think it's time to start testing it. So we are playing a game called Tower Unite, and we were playing the ball race game mode, which is essentially Super Monkey Ball. And what I wanted to do since the very beginning is try to play Super Monkey Ball with my head. So I'm gonna see. For some reason, when I'm tabbed out, the joystick stops working. Where controls, PC controls. Can we get non-keyboard controls? Let me use a controller. Okay, so I have this program I downloaded so that my gamepad, or my fake gamepad, can emulate an Xbox 360 controller. It thinks it's the right stick instead of the normal stick. Is it already emulating? I wonder. Close this application before starting the game. This is it. Moment of truth. Is it going to work? I'm incredibly surprised. Alright, so after tweaking with the program a bit, I think I'm finally at a point where it might work. It might, because now the program has recognized the game, and it's recognized the controller, and now I just need the game to recognize the controller. That's literally it. See what happens, I guess. So there's an alpha version of the program which doesn't use DLLs and doesn't require you to run it from the game directory, and it's meant for more modern games. So the way that this one works is it creates a brand new controller in your controller list. So under here, there's now a controller Xbox 360 for Windows, and if I go to properties, that is my head controller. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god. Fellas, we did it. Oh god. I'm gonna have to like move the camera with my mouse. Is that cheating? I feel like it's cheating. Okay, wait, hold on. Stop moving. Okay. It said stop. Okay, it's fine. It's cool. It's not cool. It's, oh god. Speed run. Oh my god. I actually like almost got kind of far, I think. Oh, I can't really look at the camera for too long because then I am looking in a direction and my head is the controller and I have died. Alright, so I think it was easy to see that it was very difficult to control this game with your head as a joystick. And, oh. This isn't the only game I had in mind. I do have one more game in mind before I end the video. So let's jump into that. Alright, so this is Stealthscape, and this is a game that I've actually been working on for the past year or so. It's currently on Steam. You can wishlist it. I'm hoping to have the game finished by the fourth quarter of 2018. Basically, it's a fast-paced, momentum-based, top-down shooter, but the thing is, because everything's very momentum-based, it's going to be very hard to control with my head. But I think I'll actually be able to complete levels in this, unlike the ball race game. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my lord. Okay. Oh. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Amazing. Also, I kind of just instinctively with my head, I kind of just moved it in this direction to move down. Like, I kind of like bobbed down instead of moving back. So I kind of got to keep in mind what my movements are. I'm going to try to go for the coins here. Well, I'm going to go for these ones at least. Okay. How many coins did I get? I couldn't see. I couldn't even see how many coins I was getting. I feel like I can be a lot more precise by just pushing my head. That's good. Honestly, like, I think I almost got the movement down, to be honest. I'm gonna go like the easy route. Oh, I spoke a little too soon. Oh, I was getting ready to just, I thought I was about to die. I had the space bar ready. I was pounding on it. I don't know if I'll be able to complete this level. Okay. No! Move up! I don't know what I was thinking there. No! Almost had the full rotation. No way. No way. I actually can't believe that. Oh no. It's looking upward. Oh no. As the level name suggests, this map actually does require some hesitation while you're in the middle. Oh my god. Go. Oh my god. What? I actually survived. I was literally just looking at my table. I had no idea. That was an easier one. If you're not going for the coins, that is. Alright, well, the joystick hat controller was actually a surprising success. I'm actually very happy with the way it turned out. How, like, very simple it is, yet functional. Wow, I actually am surprised, and I'm giddy right now. I'm very happy with how everything is going. So, yeah, if you want, the parts that I used in this video are down in the description, as well as the schematic and code. If you want to check out Stealthscape, this game is going to be out in the fourth quarter of 2018. I do not know how much I'm going to price it at, but you can wishlist it right now on Steam in the description. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.